Hello cruelty-free friend. This is Fiona from cruelty-free.com. Welcome to my first video. I thought it would be easier to show you the products I got from last Thursday's Catrice event, which every Maltese beauty blogger is talking about. The tables at the venue had products to try, swatch or take. I only took 5 of them, being products I really needed. These are the Catrice blush brush, which I will be using as a powder brush, the powder, All Matte Plus Shine Control, mattifying and long lasting, good for oily skin. This shade is in warm beige. Probably I'll need it in summer, since my skin is white. The Retouch Light Effect Reflecting Concealer in light beige. Ultimate Shine Lipstick in 260 Berry Delicious. And lastly, the Prime and Fine Anti-Red Base Oil-Free Primer, which I really need since I have spots on my cheeks which are red. I applied it today, so you'll be the judge of that. Now it's time to see what's inside my goodie bag, which Pharma-MT and Cosnova gave me at the last part of the event. So this is the goodie bag, which bit movement, it got a bit messed up. And we start seeing what's inside. An eyeshadow, the Absolute Bright Eyeshadow Palette in Candy Warhol. I probably use this as highlight or inside the corner of my eyes because I like having a dark color on my eyelid. If you haven't noticed, it also has a mini tutorial on how to get the bright look. Mascara, Glamour Doll Curl and Volume Mascara in Ultra Black and Curl. I won't be opening this now. I have to use what I have right now. Lash Couture Single False Lashes. I have never used lashes before, so I have to find a tutorial on how to apply them. Lipstick in Red My Lips. The ultimate color, Joanna. And 3 nail polishes. This is in Carl Says Trashic, number 57. 46 Berry Potter and Pumpledore. And the Crushed Crystals in number 5, Stardust. So we're ready from this side. Let's start at this side. A travel-sized eyeshadow palette, which I probably will use when traveling abroad. It's the Absolute Eye Color in 100 Frozen Yogurt. This is the darkest shade, and the rest are highlight and for the corner of the eye. It's in pink nude, so you probably can use it with anything. Prime and Fine Mattifying Powder, waterproof. A bronzer, the Sun Glow Shimmering Bronzing Powder for medium skin, in shimmering bronze. other lip products, the Infinite Shine Lip Gloss in Pink Twice 150, and Made to Stay Smoothing Lip Polish up to 8-hour color. So the color lasts up to 8 hours, and the shade is 050 Megan Fuske. And finally, now I have two of these products. The Prime and Fine Anti-Red Base Oil-Free Primer. So I will neutralize my red skin. That's all from the goodie bag. Catrice is a brand which is targeting 25-year-olds and over. For under 25, they have the brand Essence. It's one of the top brands in Europe since they are affordable and have high-end packages. It was fun at the event. I met other bloggers, talked about makeup. Uh, this is my first video, so I'm not that confident. I wish to thank Daniela from Parmanti and everyone from Parmanti, Cosnova, Veronica from the Vaniki blog for offering me to use her photos in my blog and for her company, and my viewers for supporting me and watching this video. I hope I didn't bore you, and see you next time. Bye.